Number 5, Vowel vibrancy. Versatility, curiosity, and constant change are the keynotes of your life. The world is too big and too full of wondrous adventures for you to be satisfied in one place or one relationship for very long. Where others concern themselves with the best methods to make the monthly budget stretch and plan where they might go on the next 2-week vacation, your mind is full of gay, romantic thoughts and plans. You could easily sail around the world without a thought of getting ahead in business. As a woman, you would tire quickly of the day-to-day routine of married life, and though you could probably discipline yourself sufficiently to control your constant flights of fancy and make a good home, you would always dream of what could have been. You can only be enthusiastic about a new venture if it doesn't require you to be involved with all the necessary minor and practical details and schedules. If someone else takes that unpleasant and boring chore off your hands, you will reward them greatly by the marvelous curiosity and enthusiasm you elude with every new discovery, making the trip so much more enjoyable and memorable. However, to thoroughly enjoy the trip or holiday yourself, you would need a transitory affair. Romance is your life, and you could no more do without it than air. Bonds of any kind are not for you. You must be free to think, feel, and do exactly as you like, when you like. In marriage, you can be an excellent and exciting partner, as well as a faithful one, if the matrimonial bonds are invisible and strictly of your own choice. Your friendship is one to be treasured because it will never be of the humdrum variety. Others must concentrate on business and family affairs and therefore enjoy hearing in a vicarious way of your adventures into every nook and cranny of life and the universe. Cleverness and wit combined with a knack for good common sense always sees you through. And because you know you can always get by, you never worry too much about building a career or life in the normal sense. You will follow the rainbow forever, and strangely enough, you will no doubt find it time and time again. Large crowds with clever, interesting people are your delight, and you take every opportunity to meet new groups, as long as everything keeps rolling and never bogs down. When it does, you are restless and get bored quickly. You prefer ever-changing, ever-moving situations and love speed and motion. People are completely captivated with you and find you a brisk and alert conversationalist. You are generally frank and always diplomatic, but your negative nature can make you far too temperamental, egotistical, and impulsive to bring you the happiness you will surely find if you don't allow it to assert its powers.